Hi, I'm Alina S.B. Galarzo, and today is June 10th, 2020. Here are the structures that I have written down. I'm going to be showing the structures of the heart. Okay, so start up here. I have the right atrium, the left atrium, the right ventricle down here, and the left ventricle. Then these are the coronary arteries on this side. Okay, then I flip around this way, and I'll show you again on this side. This is the right atrium, the left atrium, the right ventricle, and the left ventricle. Up here I have the aortic valve in between here. Put the aortic artery up here. Then I have the pulmonary valve under here on the left side. The pulmonary valve. Then I have the mitral valve in between here on the left side. This is the mitral valve. And on this side we have the tricuspid valve in between here. Okay, this is the coronary tendineae in between here as well. And the coronary tendineae is in here. Then I have the interventricular system is all here. I have some coronary tendineae over here as well as in the back. This is the coronary tendineae. Okay. Then I'll show you the layers of the skin. This first inside layer, the very outside layer of all of this. This is the endocardium, very outside of this layer. Then this layer of it would be considered the myocardium. This layer here. Then the outside layer, this white right here, is the endocardium side. And I'll show you on this side as well. This is the right atrium with the tricuspid valve here inside of the aorta on this side. And then I have the coronary tendineae as well as the left atrium with the mitral valve up here and the pulmonary valve. And then this is the other side of the interventricular system, left ventricle, right ventricle. Okay. So this is the back side. Okay, let's get our little aorta over here, and then the pulmonary. Aortic goes up here, and the pulmonary on this side. So the way I dissected them, this is the front of the heart, and put it like this. On these two sides, opened it. This is the whole heart, and then I dissected it this way. Okay. Thank you.